विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय नैजं सर्वं ददाम्यहम्। संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन् संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन् आत्मानमाहुतं मन्ये वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। सुप्रभातं, नमः सर्वेभ्यः. Today we will be doing the Tritiya Vibhakti. But before we actually start the Tritiya Vibhakti, I would want to give you a basic run through over the previous Vibhaktis. So, before we start the Tritiya Vibhakti, I would ask you a basic sentence we can say, like for example, Balakah khadati. So here you have a noun and a verb. Balakah is the Kartrupadam, Gacchati or Khadati is the Kriyapadam. So whenever you analyze a sentence, you first look for the Kriya Padam. The Kriya Padam is the most important thing in a sentence. So you first look for the Kriya Padam. Here, Balakah khadati. So which is the Kriya Padam? Khadati. So how do you get to the Prathama Vibhakti? You first ask the question, Kaha khadati? So you get the answer, Balakah khadati. So the questions regarding the Prathama Vibhakti are Kaha khadati va ka khadati va kim khadati. So you get the answer Balakah khadati va balika khadati va mitram khadati. Evam you will get the answers. So we are now going from the known to the unknown. That is the way of studying. Even in the Sanskrit Sambhashanam, you all must have done the Sambhashanam, where you sopana margena, you go stepwise to from the known to the unknown. Jnatataha ajnata paryantam. This is how you go. So that is how I'm taking you through the steps. So first is kaha, ka or kim. This is the Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam questions. Otherwise, it would be kau, ke, and ke, or ke, kani, kani for Bahuvachanam. So these are the questions you will ask to get the answer in the Prathama Vibhakti. And then you introduce the Karma Padam. Balakah payasam khadati. So now you have the Karma Padam here. What does the boy eat? The boy eats payasam. Balakah payasam khadati. So the question that you will be asking for payasam would be Balakah kim khadati. So you get the answer in the Karma Padam. That is Balakah payasam khadati. So the questions for Karma Padam will be kim, kam or kam. For example, Ramah Sitam pashyati. So the question would be Ramah kam pashyati. So you get the answer Sitam pashyati. Sitam is Dvitiya Vibhakti. Sita Ramam pashyati. So what will be the question that you will ask? Sita kam pashyati. So you get the answer Ramam pashyati. Now let us go back to the sentence Balakah payasam khadati. So you have a karta Balakah, you have the kriya padam which is khadati, and you have the karma padam which is payasam. Balakah payasam khadati. Now we need to know how the boy eats the payasam. So you have an answer, a sentence which says Balakah chamasena payasam khadati. So you have the Kartrupadam, Balakah, Kriyapadam, Khadati, Karmapadam, Payasam. Now there is a fourth new word which has been introduced. How does he eat the payasam? And the answer is Chamasena. He uses the Chamasaha to eat the payasam. So that is the instrument to eat the payasam. So you get the answer in Tritiya Vibhakti. So the main objective here is instrument. So that is the Karanam. So Tritiya Vibhakti gives you the Karanam, the instrument used to do a particular work. Balakaha Chamasena Payasam Khadati. So the question would be Balakaha Kena Khadati Chamasena Khadati. So this is how. So that is how you go from the Jnatataha to the Ajnata Paryantam. So you know the Kartrupadam, the Karmapadam, the Kriyapadam, and now you are going to the Karanapadam. Here it is Chamasena. Now we will first go to sentences where, now before that I would like to tell you about the Sutram in the Karmapadam. And the Sutram here is, give me a minute. The Sutram here is Kartrikaranayoho Tritiya. Yena yena karyam sadhyate tat karanam bhavati. The thing or the instrument which is used to get the work done. Yena karyam sadhyate. Tasya karanam bhavati. That is the karanam. And karanasya tritiya bhavati. So here, if you say the sentence Balakah chamasena payasam khadati. So which is the karanam here? The chamasaha. The chamasaha is used to eat the payasam. So karyam kena sadhyate chamasena sadhyate. So the chamasaha gets the tritiya. Chamasaha chamasena. So balakah chamasena payasam khadati. Chamasena is the instrument to use to get the work done. So Kartrikaranayoho Tritiya. So Karanam is the Tritiya. So now we will see all the conditions which where you apply and get the Tritiya Vibhakti. So now let's head to the slide. Can you all see the slide? Somebody please tell me.
Yes, madam.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah. So when do you apply the Tritiya Vibhakti? The first condition is Sadhanam. The instrument used to get the work done gets the Tritiya. Now here the example is Sauchikaha Kartarya Vastram Kartayati. So what is the instrument that he uses to cut the cloth here? It is the Kartari. Kartari is a Strilinga Padam, Ikaranta Strilinga Padam. Kartari, Kartarya. Now you do not worry about the forms. We will just look at the conditions. We will look at the forms later. The conditions we will look at first. So Kartari, Kartarya. Sauchikaha, Kartarya Vastram Kartayati. So Sauchikaha here is the Prathama. Vastram is the Karma Padam. So Dvitiya. Kartayati is the Kriya Padam. So Kaha Kartayati, Sauchikaha Kartayati. Kim Kartayati, Vastram Kartayati. Kaya Kartayati, Kartarya Kartayati. You are asking Kaya because Kartari is a Strilinga Padam. So Kaya Kartayati, Kartarya Kartayati. Sauchikaha Kartarya Vastram Kartayati. So Kartari gets the Tritiya because we know that the Karanam, the one which is the instrument, the Sadhanam is the Karanam. And the Karanam gets the Tritiya. So Kartarya. Saha Dantakurchena Dantadhavanam Karoti. Saha Prathama. Saha Kim Karoti. Karoti is the Kriya Padam. Kim Karoti. Dantadhavanam Karoti. He is brushing the teeth. Kena Karoti. Dantakurchena. So he brushes the teeth with the toothbrush. So toothbrush is the Sadhanam. So it is getting the Tritiya. And Dantakurchaha is Pullinga Shabda. So you have to make it Dantakurchena. Dantakurchaha, Dantakurchena. Sevakaha marjanibhi griham swachhi kuruvanti. Sevakaः prathama. Swachchikuruvanti is the karma padam. Kaha swachchikuruvanti. Sevakaः swachchikuruvanti. So you have the prathama and the kriya padam. Kim swachchikuruvanti. Griham swachchikuruvanti. Kabihi, here it is marjani is again a strilinga padam. So there it is kaya kabhyam kabihi. So kabihi will be the question asked. Kabihi griham swachchikuruvanti marjani bihi, because marjani is the instrument, so that gets the tritiya. But there are many brooms, so it will get the tritiya bahuvachanam. Sevakaha marjani bihi griham swachchikuruvanti. Now next, balikaha chamasaihi payasam khadanti. This was the introductory sentence. So balikaha again, I'm sorry, it is written balika boys, it is actually girls. Balikaha kena, or here it is kaihi. Kaihi payasam khadanti chamasaihi. So chamasaha is the Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Chamasaha is the Bahuvachanam. So you need to know the Tritiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam for Chamasaha, which is Chamasaihi. So the instrument to eat the payasam is spoons. So Balikaha Chamasaihi payasam khadanti. So Chamasaihi Tritiya Bahuvachanam. So that is the first condition, which is instrument, Karanam. So that is the instrument gets the tritiya. The instrument used to do the action. The person who does the action gets the prathama. The action itself gets the dvitiya. The object is the dvitiya, and the instrument used to do the action is the tritiya. So here we do the first condition. Instrument gets the tritiya. Sadhanam. It is called sadhanam. Have other examples where yanam is the sadhanam. When you go from one place to another, you use mode of transport. So the mode of transport is also an instrument. So that is a sadhanam. Aham relayanena Rajasthanam gacchami. Aham kena Rajasthanam gacchami relayanena. Aham kutra gacchami Rajasthanam, because Gachami, Gama Yoge Dvitiya. Gama is considered to be a Sakarma Kriya. As you all know, we all have done the Dvitiya Vibhakti. So it is a Sakarmaka Kriya. So that is why Rajasthanam, it is not, you do not ask the question, it does not get the Saptami Vibhakti. It gets the Dvitiya, because here the verb is Gachami. If the verb had been Vasami, you would have got the Saptami Vibhakti. Aham Rajasthane Vasami. Here it is Gachami. So it is Aham Rajasthanam Gachami. Katham or Kena Gachami. So these are the two questions you can ask. Kena Gachami, Relayanena Gachami. So Relayanam is the instrument for travel. It is the sadhanam for travel. Hence the yanam gets the tritiya. Aham Relayanena Rajasthanam Gachami. Kamala Karayanena Karyalayam Gachati. Karayanam Karayanena. So again, Karayanam is the instrument. It is in Napunsakalingam. Karayanam Yanena. From Tritiya onwards, both Napunsakalingam and Pullingam will have the same forms. It is only the Prathama and Dvitiya where they differ. Next, Rakeshaha Vichakrikaya Patashalang Gachati. Rakeshaha Kaya Patashalang Gachati Dvichakrikaya. Here Dvichakrika is a Strilinga Padam. It will become Dvichakrikaya. Rakeshaha is the Prathama. Gachati is the Kriya Padam. Patashala again is the Strilinga Padam. So Patashalam. Rakeshaha Kam Gachati is one way you can ask the question. Rakeshaha Kutra Gachati, that is also Sadhu. So Patashala, Patashalam. Second is Kaya Gachati, Dvichakrikaya. Dvichakrika, Dvichakrikaya. Dvichakrikaya, Patashalam Gachati. The fourth is Balakah Padabhyam Udyanam Gacchati. He is now walking to the Udyanam, Balakah. So Balakah Prathama Gacchati Kriyapadam Udyanam Karmapadam. Balakah Kutra Gacchati or Kim Gacchati Udyanam. Udyanam is an Apunsakalinga Shabda, so you use the word Kim or Kutra, both sadhu. Balakah Udyanam Gacchati. Kabhyam Gacchati, he is walking, so he has got 2 feet, so Padabhyam, that is why it gets the Dvivachanam. Balakah Padabhyam Udyanam Gacchati. Kabhyam Gacchati, Padabhyam Gacchati. So now we are done with 2. Instrument and Yanam as an instrument. Sadhanam and Yanam as a sadhanam. So the Yanam gets the Tritiya when it is used as a transport, and when you do a particular work, the instrument which you use to do the work gets the Tritiya. So these 2 are now done. Now the third one is, that is actually clubbed under the same, because both are instruments, you club it under the same point. Second is to express emotions. Balakah krodhena kurdati. The balaka is jumping. Now he is very angry, so he is jumping. So krodha krodhena kurdati. So krodha gets the Tritiya. Sheila santoshena karyam karoti. She is happy, so the happiness is given the Tritiya, santoshena. Pushpa anandena geetam gayati. So these are all emotions which you use to express in the Tritiya Vibhakti. Pushpa anandena geetam gayati. Dasharatah Pritya Ramaya Rajyam Datum Aichat. This is a long sentence. See, Dasharatah here is the Prathama. Aichat, he desires. This is the Langlakar. You all have done the forms. So Langlakar Ichha, Ichhati, that is Aichat. So he desired. Datum, again Tumun Pratyay. Again, all that you have done. Datum. He wanted to give. Datum. What he wanted to give, so that will be the Dvitiya, Rajyam. So Dasharatah Prathama. Kaha Aichat? Dasharatah Aichat. So Aichat is the Kriyapadam. Kim Kartum Aichat? Datum Aichat. He wanted to give something. Datum Aichat. Kim Datum Aichat? Rajyam Datum Aichat. So Rajyam answers the question Kim. So it gets the Dvitiya. Rajyam Datum Aichat. Kasmai Aichat? Ramaya. Chaturthi. You've all done that. So Ramaya. So Ramaya Rajyam Datum Aichat. On account of what does he want to give Rama the Rajyam? Pritya, out of affection. So Pritya, Priti, Pritya. Pritya gets the Priti gets the Tritiya. So Dasharatah Pritya Ramaya Rajyam Datum Aichat. So Prathama Dasharatah Rajyam Dvitiya Pritya Tritiya Ramaya Chaturthi Aichat Kriya Padam. Datum is an Avyaya Padam. You all know that. It is Tumun Pratyay. We've all done it. Now, Meera Anandena Nrityam Karoti. Meera Nrityam Karoti. Kena Nrityam Karoti? Anandena. Here, you have all done the Saptakakaras as well. So here you can use the question Katham. Meera Katham Nrityam Karoti? Anandena Nrityam Karoti. So, Dvayoho Sadhu. Kena Nrityam Karoti? Anandena. So this is the second aspect. Apart from the instruments, you have the emotions which are expressed in Tritiya. Now there are certain Avyaya Padams because of which the word gets the Tritiya. For example, Saha, Sakam, Sardham. It all means the same, which is along with. So these are not the Karanam. These are not the instrument. But these are Avyaya Padams, which account of which they get the Tritiya. Hence, they are called the Upapada Vibhakti. They are not actually the Karaka Vibhakti, as in instrument which is getting the Tritiya. These are the Upapada Vibhakti. It is on account of the Avyayams like Saha, Sakam, Sardham, which they are getting the tritiya. So they are called the ambaya. It's called the upapada vibhakti. Aham ambaya saha apanam gacchami. So amba, I am going along with mother to the shop. So amba is a strilinga padam. Ambaya, ambaya saha. Now this amba gets the tritiya on account of saha, which is the avyaya padam, which means along with. So on account of this word saha, it is getting the tritiya vibhakti. So it is not because it is an instrument. Here, me and my amba both are doing the action of going. Aham, amba cha, both are doing the action of going. But I am going along with my mother. So the person along with I am going will get the tritiya. Both are doing the action. Remember that. So the kriya padam is here amba ambaya. This is ekavachana. Pita putraihi sakam bhojanaya upavishati. Here Pita is sitting along with the sons for food. So here putraha is the prathama bahuvachanam. So since it is in bahuvachanam, he is sitting along with his sons. So they get the tritiya in bahuvachanam. Putraihi sakam. Now sakam also means along with. Now the Pita and the sons, the father and the sons, all are having food. So Pita putraihi sakam. The sakam is the word which means along with. All are doing the action of sitting for food, but along with goes with the putraha. So the putraha get the tritiya vibhakti, which is putraihi. Balakah agrajena sardham apanam gacchati. There is a tankana dosham here. Balakah agrajena sardham. Agrajaha. He is going along with his brother to the market. So agrajaha agrajena, not market, shop. Agrajaha gets the, because he is going along with his elder brother to the shop. So agrajaha, the person along with balakah, the prathama is going, he gets the tritiya. And it is on account of the word or the avyayam sardham that agrajaha is getting the tritiya vibhakti agrajena. Balakah agrajena sardham. So the questions here would be, aham kaya saha apanam gacchami. Pita kaihi sakam bhojanaya upavishati. Balakah kena sardham apanam gacchati. So these are all the questions which you ask to get the answer in tritiya vibhakti, either strilinga padam, ekavachanam, pullinga padam, bahuvachanam, etc. So here the action is done by both, that you have to remember. So you cannot say aham danta kurchena saha danta davanam karomi. This is a common mistake made. Danta kurchena saha. No. Danta kurchaha is the instrument used to do the action. It is not doing the action. You are doing the action of brushing. So you will say aham danta kurchena danta davanam karomi. Here in these examples, both are doing the action. Aham amba. Both of us are going, but I am going along with my mother. So amba gets the tritiya. Pita is sitting along with the sons. So putra gets the tritiya. Balakah agrajena sardham. So he is going along with his elder brother to the shop. So agrajaha gets the tritiya. So I hope you understood the difference between the actions which are done simultaneously between two people and action which I have done alone. See, it's very explained. Although both are doing the gamana kriya, the point here is one is doing along with the others. The first one, he gets the prathama, and along with they or he gets the tritiya. So the main person gets the karta. The karta is doing the action of putraha, pita putraihi sakam bhojanaya upavishati. So pita is the main karta. Pita upavishati. Kaihi saha, kaihi sakam, kaihi sardham upavishati? Putraihi. So now I am saying all these sakam, sardham, saha because it all means the same. So these are the one set of avyayas which cause the tritiya vibhakti. Saha, sakam, sardham. Now the second one, those are the three. The fourth one is vina, which is without. That also is a upapada vibhakti, because the vibhakti is happening because of the word or the avyayam vina. So mala mataram vina kutrapi na gacchati. Here my mistake it is matra vina, because mataram vina, as you all know, is fine with Dvitiya, Tritiya and Panchami. So one example I've given is Mataram, which is Dvitiya. Second example is Dandena, which is Tritiya. So just to show that it is useful both in Dvitiya and Tritiya. So Mala Mataram vina kutrapi na gacchati. Vriddaha Dandena vina na chalati. So Dandaha Dandena. Mata Mataram. Mataram is in Dvitiya. If you want to make it to Tritiya, it will be Matra vina kutrapi na gacchati. If it is in Panchami, you will say Matuhu vina kutrapi na gacchati. Then Vriddaha Dandena vina, or you can say Dandam vina, or you can say Dandat vina. But the most commonly used is Dvitiya and Tritiya. So Dandam Dandena, Dandaha Dandena, Vriddaha Dandena vina na chalati. So this is another avyayam which gives you the Tritiya. So we have done with Saha, Sakam, Sardam and Vina. Now we will go to Alam. Alam is another avyayam which causes the Tritiya. It means enough of. Sometimes it is Paryaptam also. Alam kalahena. If there are arguments going on and you say enough of arguments, you say alam kalahena. Kalaha is the word, and which you make it to kalahena. When there is too much of noise, you say enough of noise, or alam kolahalena. Somebody is crying, enough of crying, and alam rodalena. So all these words get the tritiya on account of not being the instrument, but because of the word alam. Alam kalahena, alam kolahalena, alam rodanena. So I'll just head back to the first one. So just a quick revision. First is sadhanam, as in instrumental. We'll just go through one example. Sauchikaha kartarya vastram kartayati. So kartari is the instrument, so kartarya. So instrument or the sadhanam gets the tritiya. And the same example you have yanam as sadhanam. So yanam, the instrument which is used to transport. So the relayanam. So aham relayanena gacchami. So the relayanam gets the. Then emotions. How do you express emotions? Anger, happiness, affection, again happiness. So all that will be expressed in the Tritiya Vibhakti. Balakah krodena kurdati, Shira anandena nrityam karoti, Sheela santoshena karyam karoti, Dasharatah pritya aichat. So these are the emotions which all got Tritiya. Then the Avyayas, Saha, Sakam, Sardham, Vina and Alam. These are all called, the Vibhakti happens here not because of the Karanakarakam, it is because of these Avyayam. So it is called Upapada Vibhakti. Saha, Sakam, Sardham, which all mean along with. So Aham Ambaya Saha Apanang Gacchami. Rama Sitaya Saha Vanang Gacchati. Sita Ramena Saha Vanang Gacchati. So these are all examples of Saha. And Saha, Sakam, Sardham, you can use it interchangeably. They all mean the same. But most commonly people use Saha. But it means the same. So, and the important point in Saha, Sakam, Sardham is both. If there are two, Aham and Amba, both are doing the Gamana Kriya action. Both are doing the action. But Aham is the Prathama here. I'm the main person who is acting. And I'm going along with. So the person who along with I'm going gets the Tritiya. Pita Upavishati. Pita gets the Prathama. He is the main actor. And he is sitting for Bhojana along with his sons. So Putraihi. So they get the Tritiya. Then comes Vina, without. Vriddaha dandena vina na chalati. He does not walk without his walking stick. So dandena. So vina is fine for both Ditya, Tritiya and Panchami. But we are using here for Tritiya. Again, it is the Upapada Vibhakti. Then Alam. Alam kolahalena, alam kalahena, alam rodanena. So alam is the avyayam which gives the tritiya. Then we go to, these are not upapada vibhaktis. This is a typical example. Kim prayojanam. Kim prayojanam. What is the use? So you're angry. What is the use of getting anger? What is the use of lamenting? What is the use of crying? So krodena kim prayojanam. Vilapena. What is the use of lamenting? So vilapena kim prayojanam. Rodanena kim prayojanam. What is the use of crying? Now I will take you back to the Shashti Vibhakti, where I don't know whether you know the Subhashitam. I think yes, you do know it. Hastasya bhushanam danam, satyam kanthasya bhushanam, shrotrasya bhushanam shastram, bhushanaihi kim prayojanam. So the Subhashitakara says bhushanaihi kim prayojanam. He says, what is the use of all these ornaments? So, kim prayojanam. What is bhushanam? Bhushanani is prathama vibhakti bahuvachanam. So that gets the tritiya bahuvachanam, bhushanaihi. So that is how in that subhashitam it is bhushanaihi kim prayojanam, tritiya bahuvachanam. Then comes physical defects. Saha netrena andhaha. He's, if it is andaha, it is because of his, has got no sight, but the affected organ gets the tritiya here. Which is the affected organ? If you're a blind person, it is netram. So netrena andaha. He is deaf. Karnena badiraha. So netrena andaha, karnena badiraha. Now I don't know whether you would wonder why it is netrena and not netrena, and it is karnena and not karanena. So that is the commonly asked question in Tritiya Vibhakti, because you have this ending in nakara. So in some cases you give the nakara, in some cases you give the nakara. We will look at it shortly. Now I hope you all have understood all these points. So the last two which I dealt with was kim prayojanam and the physical defects. The affected part gets the tritiya. Kim prayojanam, what is the use of whatever you do, gets the tritiya. So here you're lamenting or getting angry or you're crying, all that gets the action of getting angry, the action of lamenting, the action of crying, all that get tritiya. And in physical defects, the affected part gets the tritiya. Now the question which normally asked in tritiya is kaya kena kena saha kaya saha. This I am only focusing on the ekavachanam. The forms will come later. Ramah dvichakrikaya patashalang gacchati. Ramah kaya patashalang gacchati. Ramah relayanena patashalang gacchati. Ramah kena patashalang gacchati. Another. Ramah janakena saha patashalang gacchati. Kena saha. So the first two are the sadhanam as for the Tritiya Vibhakti. So it is a Karaka Vibhakti. And the next two is on account of the word Saha. So it is the Upapada Vibhakti. So the Janaka gets the Vibhakti on account of the word Saha. So it is called Upapada Vibhakti. Ramaha Janakena Saha Patashalang Gacchati. Kena Saha Janakena Saha. Then Ramaha Anujaya Saha Patashalang Gacchati. Kaya Saha Patashalang Gacchati will be the question. Anujaya Saha. Now you also remember the example Ramah Padabhyam Patashalang Gacchati, that was instrument. So Kabhyam Patashalang Gacchati, Padabhyam Patashalang Gacchati. Now the Saptakakara question is Katham. Katham Ramah Patashalang Gacchati Relayanena. So that is also possible. You can also ask the question, but I would like you to stick to Kaya, Kena, Kena Saha, Kaya Saha. Then we will look at, so I hope all of you have understood. Any doubt here? You can please unmute and ask. Any doubt? If no, I'll proceed to the Subhashitam. So since I'm not asked, nobody is asking anything, I'll proceed to the Subhashitam. बाणेन युद्धं न तु भाषणेन ज्ञानेन साधुः न तु वल्कलेन रथेन यात्रा न मनोरथेन श्रमेण विद्या न तु पुस्तकेन. So all those letters, words which are highlighted in pink are all Tritiya Vibhakti. Banena yuddham natu bhashanena. You have to fight with your arrow and not with your speech. Is what, see, you all know that when in the Gita, in the Mahabharata war, just before the war started, Arjuna was despondent. He saw his own people on both the sides. And then he said that, how can I fight with my own people? How can I kill my own people? So he became despondent. He became sorrowful. And that is the time when Krishna gave him Upadesham. He did his Upadesham through 700 verses of the Bhagavad Gita, the holy book. The Upadesham given by the Lord himself. So he gave him, there were a lot of calm arguments, counter arguments, debating. And it took him 700 long verses to convince Arjuna that that is his duty, to fight and not just lament. So his action is to fight and achieve his objective. So he gave all the bhashanams, but ultimately Arjuna had to pick up his bana to fight. So bhanena yuddham natu bhashanena. He did all the bhashanam, he did all the convincing talks, but ultimately the bhashanam did not win the war. The bhashanam inspired him to pick up the bana and he did the war. He killed. Krishna said, I have already killed them all. I have already, you have to only become the nimitta. So he became the instrument to kill all of his cousins and win the war, because that was the dharma. So banena yuddham natu bhashanena. So he picked up the bana and did the yuddham. You cannot just talk and get the yuddham done. You have to use the bow and arrow. So banena yuddham natu bhashanena. Jnanena sadhuhu natu valkalena. Here Valkala is clothes, so you cannot just, the ochre garb does not make one a saint. That is what is commonly said. So you cannot just wear your ochre or a saffron clothes and be known as the sadhu. You need to have the jnanam to call yourself the sadhu. So jnanena sadhuhu natu valkalena. Rathena yatra na manorathena. You cannot just do travel. You have to actually sit in the ratha or the instrument or the mode of transport, and then only you can go from one place to another, not by just dreaming about it. Shramena vidya natu pustakena. There is a lot of knowledge available in pustakani, but will that give you knowledge? No, you will have to actually sit, read and do abhyasa, shrama, the efforts. That only will give you jnana or vidya. If it remains in the books, it will just remain in the books. It will become knowledge only when you do the abhyasa through efforts. So shramena vidyanatu pustakena. So banena, bhashanena, jnanena, valkalena, rathena, manorathena, shramena, pustakena. So this is a beautiful Subhashitam with 8 words in the Tritiya Vibhakti and giving you a beautiful philosophy of life. The next Subhashitam is a very, very well-known subhashitam. You all know it. Udyamena hi siddhyanti karyani na manorathaihi. Nahi suptasya simhasya pravishanti mukhe mrgaha. Now here, Udyamena and Manorathaihi. These are the words which are highlighted in pink. So obviously they are in Tritiya Vibhakti. So we will analyze this. You know the meaning that only hard work will allow you to complete, or the efforts will only help you to achieve your objective. You cannot just dream about them and hope that they will be achieved. They have to be, you have to work for it. Udyamena, Parishramena. Parishramena eva siddhyanti karyani. Not by dreaming, not manorathaihi. Nahi suptasya simhasya pravishanti mukhe mrgaha. The animals do not enter into the mouth of a sleeping lion. He also has to do action. He has to go and hunt for it. Then only he will be able to kill them and eat them. They will not just enter, come on, eat me. They will not do that. The Simha also, he is the king of the jungle. Yet he has to do action to feed himself. So this is just a comparison that only with efforts you can get what you want, what you have set out to achieve. A sleeping lion, you cannot be a sleeping lion and hope that the animals will enter your mouth and become your food. No. So now we'll analyze the sentence Udyamena hi siddhyanti karyani na manorathaihi. I want to analyze this because you have done all the vibhaktis prior to the Tritiya. So we will analyze this. So whenever you analyze a sentence, you first look at the verb. In the first sentence, the verb is siddhyanti. So since it is in Bahuvachanam, the question you will ask is in plural only, in Bahuvachanam only. So here when you notice, you see the word karyani. So you know that you have to ask a question in Napunsaka-lingam Bahuvachanam. So Kani siddhyanti, karyani siddhyanti. So you know karyani is the prathama Bahuvachanam. Kriya padam is in Pratham Purush Bahuvachanam. Karyani siddhyanti. So now you know, you need to know what is the instrument of doing those, achieving those objectives. It is Udyamena, Parishramena. So the Parishramam or the Udyamaha will get the Tritiya Vibhakti. So that becomes Udyamena. That is the Tritiya. That is the instrument for achieving the objective. So Kena siddhyanti karyani. Karyani Udyamena hi siddhyanti. So that is how you progress. Jnatataha ajnata paryantam. I told you, right? So that is from the known to the unknown. We keep asking questions. I just want to, an aside here. It is called the Akanksha, the way you ask questions and get the answer. It is called the Akanksha Paddhati. Akanksha is, you know, the desire to know. So you ask questions and you get the answer. So Kani, so you first locate the verb. So you say siddhyanti. Kani siddhyanti, karyani siddhyanti. Kena siddhyanti, udyamena siddhyanti. So now again you have to apply the verb siddhyanti here to the manorathaihi. So here the question would be Kena na siddhyanti, manorathaihi na siddhyanti. Just by dreaming about it, you will not get the work done. So you have to ask the question Kena na siddhyanti, manorathaihi na, Kena nahi, kaihi. Kaihi na siddhyanti, manorathaihi na siddhyanti. So by asking questions, you get the answer. Kena siddhyanti karyani udyamena. Kena kaihi na siddhyanti manorathaihi na siddhyanti. Nahi suptasya simhasya pravishanti mukhe mrgaha. So I'll just deviate a little bit from your Tritiya Vibhakti and we will look at pravishanti. Ke pravishanti, the Kriya Padam is pravishanti. Ke pravishanti. So you get the answer Mrigaha pravishanti. Why are you asking a question in Tritiya Prathama Bahuvachanam? Because the verb is in Bahuvachanam. Pravishanti. Pratham Purush Bahuvachanam. Ke pravishanti, Mrigaha pravishanti. Na pravishanti. Mrigaha na pravishanti. कुत्र न प्रविशन्ति? मुखे न प्रविशन्ति. Mukham mukhe. So you are getting the answer in Saptami. Mukham mukhe. Kutra na pravishanti mrugaha? Mukhe na pravishanti mrugaha. So now you have to ask the question. You have Suptasya Simhasya. So you ask the Kasya mukhe na pravishanti mrugaha? Suptasya Simhasya pravishanti na pravishanti mukhe mrugaha. So you got the answer in Shashti. Suptasya Simhasya na pravishanti mukhe mrugaha. So you have here Prathama Vibhakti, you have Tritiya Vibhakti, you have Shashti Vibhakti, and you have the Saptami Vibhakti. So many Vibhaktis in just one Subhashita. उद्यमेन हि सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि न मनोरथैः न हि सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगाः. So I hope you've got the Akanksha Padati of asking questions to get answers and asking the right questions to get the answers in the right Vibhakti. Any doubt here? I presume there is no doubt. So I go to the next topic here in the Tritiya, which is very important to the Tritiya Vibhakti.